Mark, I was able to get into the Fat Cow only by changing the password again. It seems like I just keep getting stuck behind those capture, and I can't get past those capture things um, unless I go in and click forgot my password or forgot. So anyway, so I was able to get in by if you forget the password, you just go right into it again. And it forgot password, and it will let you right in. You don't have to sign in again. As soon as you put the new password in, it's good. I mean, you're right in. Now, where I am when you get in that way, this is the page I wind up with. I go to the domain page, and on the domain page, you'll see all the domains that I've registered with them over the years. Um, and I see one here that I don't know how I keep renewing it. I guess I renewed it again by accident. But this is the only one that's active right now. It's newflagpole.com, and that's got about roughly 3 months left on it before it has to be renewed again. Um, you can see it here. I got 18 inactive and one active. So if I click on that one, it'll bring that one right to the top. New flagpole expires in 119 days. Okay, so the only way I know to get in is to change the password. If you want to change the password, that's absolutely okay with me. Um, okay, if you have to call them up to get the new password, um, yeah, if you have to call up to get the new password, they will have to send a form out, and they'll send it to me. I can't forward it until I know that it's coming. Um, but I will send it right out to you, and you can change the password yourself. Here's the passwords I would like to use. My daughter's name and birthday. It's Anna Faye 126 or 126 Anna or Anna 1206. Either one. It doesn't matter. Um, and they will also ask you the secret answer to the secret question. And the secret question is, where was I born? The answer is Brooklyn. So if you have to do the chat thing with them, they will forward the form um, to set up the new password, I guess. And I could forward that to you immediately, or I could do the password myself. It doesn't matter. But just let me know when you're getting them on the phone. I plan on being in all day tomorrow. Um, so if you do have to either call me or send me an email or something, feel free. Thank you, sir. Okay, I added a little bit on the bottom. Currently, the password is my birthday. That's December 11, 1953. There is a comma after the number 11 and no spaces. If they ask you where I was born, the answer is Brooklyn, all one word. Um, and you cannot say Brooklyn, New York, or Brooklyn, United States. They only want one word, Brooklyn. Um, so if you have to change the password again to get in, either email me and give me, I keep checking my email, but give me a few minutes to check it and get back to you. Thanks. Or you can call me if you want to call me on my cell phone. That's fine too. 612 247 5695. 612 247 5695. And I'll put that over here for you too. That's it. Thank you, boss. Good luck.